Welcome back. Next immediate process is the third process, that is cache shells. From here onwards, every process is important. I think first previous two processes everyone will aware of this. So what is cache shells? So cache shells, the term itself says cache, right? That means counter shells. If you go to a big mall or any place, like for buying milk packets, vegetables, any retail thing, if you go there at counter, you have to pick your things and immediately you have to pay there, and then only you can able to take the goods for delivery. Okay, that means you don't have time to wait. Like if you go to the counter for cash shells. Okay, so basically what you can do, suppose if you are taking 100 coffee packets. Okay, so 100 should be available, then only you can able to pick it. So even counter person says that since you picked 100, I will do the immediate billing. That bill, it is called cash bill, not like credit bill. So if it is in your credit sales previously for your OTC and QTC with a normal order, so like you have a certain period will be there. Within that period, based on your payment terms, you can able to pay at any point of time. That's also depends scenario to scenario, it varies. Okay, but here 100% you should have to pay immediately, and your delivery should be immediately automatically need to be created. Okay, this is actually brief about your cache shells. But what is the basic difference? If you see your regular OTC process, if item level, if you observe, item category is 10, and in the similar way, if you see for quotation, item category is ASN. Okay, so inquiry is AFN. So this is the actually item category, and item category group will tell about like what kind of product it need to be determined based on the document type which you have chosen. Okay, for end users it is bit technical, but there is nothing to worry. So 10 is all about your standard product. So for quotation inquiry with the same standard product, these are the item categories will have a different control. So but whereas if you compare the same thing with cache shells, okay, standard, you have something called BVN. Okay, your document type itself for normal sales, it is war and it is PV. Like here one tick mark will be there, with that immediate delivery will be created. So in next video I will try to explain technical details uh, who are looking for consulting level. So this is the brief about cache shells. The basic difference between OTC and cache shells is that cache shell, your delivery will be created immediately once you save the sales order. After that, your cash account, okay, your petty cash account will be credited and your customer account will be debited. Whereas your normal sales, if you go there, like revenue account will be credited and your customer account is debited. This is the only basic difference you have. You try to understand this. Okay, so let's get on to the SAP system. We will see how the cache shells work, both consulting level and transaction level.